Hey guys, this is the Prop Doctor, and today we'll be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Home Depot 2023 Predator of the Night. Alright, so starting this off, I'm actually not going to cut the tape because I want to... Oh no, okay, whatever. Oh, that's painful to see. Okay, well, that tape's ruined. But, boom, box is open. And first, what I'm going to show you guys is this dude's head. He is servo. This guy looks awesome. There's his head. Next is his main torso. This piece is pretty heavy actually. It has some decent weight to it, but the detailing on this guy is incredible. Next is one of his hands, and he is posable, I believe. Yep, he is posable, so you can put him in whatever position you want his arms. Here's his other arm. Here is his thigh, it looks. And then over here, we have some his adapter cord, along with his poles. Some more poles. More poles. This one has an end to it, so it might be a wing. Another pole. His leg, it looks like, or yeah, it's his leg. Another leg. The thigh. His feet. He has some weird looking feet. Then his base. And then his wings. These things are huge. It's a little sun faded, but these wings are gigantic and they look pretty awesome. So, both of his wings. Here's both of his wings, and then some covers for his legs, it looks like. Instructions, ground stakes, and the thing for his back to screw him in place. And then finally, the cable. So that's the unboxing. Time for the setup. Alright, and he is done. This guy is incredible. His setup took me a while because I'm kind of stupid, but that's besides the point. He looks incredible. I really like him. I wish they would have made his wings move because that would have been awesome. And the only con I had was it's just me being bad at this, but I could not get his wings in all the way, so I really hope that won't be an issue in the future. But he does look incredible. The detailing on this guy's very good. He's very big, a lot bigger than I thought he was originally when I saw him in stores, but he looks awesome. However, it is time to do the demo. Alright, that is going to wrap up this unboxing, setup, and demo. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next time.